In this video, we will explain how to connect a Leica DISTO D810 Touch with an iPad and transfer measured values right to Microsoft Excel. Please note that the same steps also apply when using an S910 or iPhone. First of all, switch on the Disto. Press the function key and switch to the menu settings. Press the Bluetooth icon to see a list of applications. Configure here if Bluetooth send to Excel, Word, Plan App, or is off. Choose the option for Excel at the top of this screen. Press the right favorite key to adjust following settings. Termination. With Tab, the Excel cursor will automatically jump to the next column after the value has been transferred. With Enter, it will jump to the next row, and with None, it will stay in the current cell. Decimal point. Depending on the region set in the computer, it might be required to switch the decimal separator to a comma instead of a dot. Press Clear to leave the menu. Then open Settings on your iPad. Start the Bluetooth settings and activate it. Once the Disto with its serial number is displayed, click on it for establishing a connection. Press Pair to confirm. The Disto device will be listed in My Devices. Close the window. Now you can open your Excel document. You can use predefined Excel sheets. Use it as normal and send measurements right into it. The Disto will send the measured values to the currently selected cell. For navigation, you can use the previously activated navigation keys. When using a function with several results, like for example area or volume, you have to transfer the values separately. Calculations with these cells are also possible as long as it does not have any unit in it. Note that the keyboard mode is not a unique feature for Excel only, but also works with any other application, including web forms. If you require the values to be sent as a text, including the unit setting, you have to choose in the Disto Bluetooth setting. When the Disto is turned off, it will be automatically disconnected. It will be reconnected as soon as you switch on the Disto again. Therefore, it might make sense to switch off Bluetooth on the Disto after finishing work. If you experience troubles connecting again, tap the info button next to the device list in the Bluetooth manager and press on Ignore Device. This will allow you to add your device again.